In today's video, I'll show you how to create captions for short videos, just like Ali Abdaal. These types of videos are super popular on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. We'll be using an AI tool called Submagic to do it. To get started, click on the first link in the description to open Submagic. If it's your first time using it, you'll need to sign in with your Gmail account. If you already have an account, just log in. I already have an account, so I will click here on Login. Now, on the Submagic page, you'll see a large empty space. Click anywhere inside this space, and you can upload your video. I am uploading a random short video for this demonstration. After selecting your video, you can change its name from here. You can also choose the language for the captions. When you're ready, click Upload. Wait a bit, and your video will be uploaded. After some time, the video will be uploaded and you can see the captions are being generated. Once the captions are ready, you will see the video on right-hand side and the captions with timestamps on the left-hand side. I will play the video to show you how amazing the captions are.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
There are rarely any errors, but in case if you want to make some changes, you can click on the text to edit it. You can even add emojis to make your captions more fun. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Check out the design option. Submagic offers different fonts that look like the ones used by popular creators like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, and others. For example, if you choose Ali, your captions will look like Ali Abdaal. You can also adjust the font, alignment, and other text features. I will play the video again to show you that the captions look exactly the same as Ali Abdaal.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Another amazing feature of Submagic is it can write a short description of our video on its own. Just click on description and you can use it when you upload your video. Once your video looks perfect, it's time to export it. Click Pay and Export. Don't worry, I've got a coupon code and a money-saving trick for you that will allow you to get captions for unlimited videos at a cost of less than $50. On the payment page, choose the yearly plan, because we get 20% off on the yearly plan. However, you can choose monthly plan if you wish. Now you can see there are two plans, Basic and Pro. With Basic plan you can generate captions for 20 videos only. But with Pro plan you can generate captions for unlimited videos. Which means if you generate captions for 80 videos, each video will cost you $50, and the price will reduce with an increase in the video count. Plus I will tell how you can get even more discount. I highly recommend the Pro plan because it lets you caption unlimited videos and also you can upload longer videos with a better upload speed. Now, click Pay Now. On the payment page, there is an option to enter promotion code on the left-hand side. Type in WB Explainer and hit Apply. You'll get a discount of 10%, which means if you use the yearly plan and the promo code you will get a total discount of 30%. Freelancers easily charge $5 to $10 for a single video, and Submagic allows you to do the same task at less than $50. Now that you have received all the possible discount, enter the remaining details and complete the payment. I hope this video will help you grow with your short-form content. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.